Hi, my name is Mylah. I'm a 1-year-old golden retriever and I am a trail dog. This is my story. This is me as a puppy on my very first trail. There's nothing like the fresh smell of leaves and getting your paws a little dirty. One day, I saw the most incredible thing. A dog chasing its human super fast on a bike. I knew this was my destiny. Trail dog. My humans took me on lots of hikes, and I learned a lot. Sometimes I even got to go swimming. One crisp morning, I thought we were going for our usual hike. But then, there it was, the bike! I had a blast chasing my human on the bike, but I still had lots to learn. I kept practicing, following my human. I was starting to get the hang of it. I was running like a real trail dog. My humans started looking at me funny. My shoulders were a little sore, but I was happy as could be. But the pain continued to get worse. I had to get surgery on both of my shoulders. I was not happy about my new haircut. My humans told me I had osteochondrosis, but they said the surgery worked and I would be as good as new. They never left my side and gave me ice packs to help. They were more fun to lick. I had much time on my paws to master my puzzle toys. Sometimes they dressed me up in their clothes so I wouldn't itch my wounds. After a few weeks, I was starting to feel better. I was ready to go for my first walk. One day, I thought I was dreaming, but I blinked, and it was still there, the bike. But I wasn't allowed to go. I waited and waited, but I still needed time to recover, even though I didn't want to wait any longer. I wasn't allowed to have a birthday party with my pup friends, but my humans made me this cupcake for my first birthday. I love peanut butter. This is my friend Mauser. He was the first pup friend I saw after my surgery. We went on a trip together to the cabin. Me and Mauser got to run around together. I was feeling like my old self again.
Go. You want to go for a bike ride?
Did he say what I think he said?
Yeah. Is that a yes? You want to go for a bike ride?
Bike ride! Yay! You better not leave me this time. Don't you forget me. Wait! Wait! Don't leave me behind! Where is he? Did he leave? There he is! Look out, Trails, I'm back!
We're here. Follow.
after 5 months, I was back to fulfilling my destiny as a trail dog. I couldn't have done it without Dr. Leisure, who helped my family out along the way. Thanks for all your support and watching my video. Please like this video and subscribe to see more of me and my humans on future ventures.